right now hitting our area.
Yeah, we got those very outermost bands of what was Tropical Storm Arthur, holding that live camera right there. Look how gloomy that looked out there in the background with some of those really, really gray skies. We have those first outermost bands rolling through, bringing maybe some 30 mile per hour, 30, 40 mile per hour wind gusts, a little bit of lightning towards Grundy County, heavier rainfall just right outside the local 3 studios as of right now. Anywhere from Chattanooga, Red Bank, Walden, Saudi, Daisy, you're getting some of that heavy rainfall and a few little gusty winds moving towards Bakewell, Dayton. We got anywhere from Dunlap into Cagle, going to see some of that heavier rainfall. A bit of lightning over there by Altamont, but not a lot of lightning activity a little farther out to the east near Chattanooga. But again, special weather statements remaining active until 1 p.m. Eastern time as this little system, this first little clip works its way through. But this is all due to the remnants of Arthur, which the base and kind of the core way farther down to the south along the coastline of New Orleans, Louisiana, Mississippi and Alabama, where they're getting some of that heaviest rainfall and the possibility of life-threatening flash flooding. It looks like they've actually expanded the region that has that high level 5 out of 5 risk for excessive rainfall, that moderate risk, that 4 out of 5. Again, it's rare that we see some of these colors and these areas being outlined like this, but life-threatening flash flooding. You'll notice that there are some flood risks which cover most of the south, also keeping an eye on that tornado threat, which is going to impact, again, those similar areas where you have the core of Arthur, those heaviest thunderstorms moving through. But for our neck of the woods, we do have a smaller chance for excessive rainfall. It's going to be very scattered throughout the day, and the heaviest chances for rain and severe thunderstorm activity and flash flooding south of us towards the middle of Alabama and Georgia. But we're keeping an eye on it nonetheless. We're already seeing some gusty winds. Well, here's a good look. They have actually updated the severe weather outlook for today. So now our viewing area is kind of cut in half, where we have that marginal risk, which is closer to our eastern communities, and then just the chance for non-severe thunderstorms the farther west that you go. That slight risk, again, we've seen a little bit of a change here with some of the areas highlighted, but the good news is part of our viewing area, basically a whole half of it, has been removed from any threat for severe weather today. High temperatures expected to reach the lower 80s, around 84 degrees here in Chattanooga. Over the next couple of hours, these cells are slowly going to work north. We're going to get little break periods and then more rain, break periods and more rain. It's just going to be that on again, off again type of thing. Wash on, wash off, heading into the rest of this afternoon as we get the remnants of that tropical system slowly continuing to move into our area. But like I mentioned before, heaviest rain staying farther down to the south. And now they have shifted that track a little over to the east, where you can see some of that heavier rainfall kind of wanting to move. So it's going to be a little bit drier heading into your Friday morning, and then we're going to get the chance for rainfall heading into your Saturday, maybe a little farther out to the south. I think Saturday is going to be your best day to enjoy outdoor plans, because again, most of that rainfall kind of towards the middle of Alabama and Georgia, but more rainfall expected leading into your Father's Day Sunday. So if you have any outdoor plans that you're planning with your dad just to get out and enjoy a nice day, you're going to want to probably do that on Saturday, because more of that rainfall is going to be expected leading into your Sunday. So be sure to stay weather aware today. We've already seen a few little stronger cells moving through with some gusty winds. Can't rule out some excessive rainfall wherever those heaviest rain bands set up. Back to you, Latrice.
Okay, thank you, Hannah.